Come here, good. After hooking here, we have to buckle the position with the mark on the first stitch in front, and do a pull out, pull it over and remove the marking buckle. Then, we can start to set up a standing stitch. At the beginning of each lap, we need to do a standing stitch. The crochet method of the third round is to plus one every other. We crochet a short stitch first. After the first short stitch is finished, we need to make an extra stitch on the second stitch, because we need to stagger the extra stitches for sewing even numbers. In this way, we can crochet it out. This shape will look better. So we crochet 2 short stitches in the second short stitch. Up to the third short stitch, we have a short stitch, and the fourth stitch is still a short stitch. When it reaches the fifth stitch, we add 1 short stitch, that is, 2 stitches. Afterwards, we follow the crochet rule of 2 short stitches and 1 short stitch. Well, after hooking the last short needle and adding needles, we actually have 1 short needle left to hook it well. In this way, after pulling out the first short needle of the previous needlewood, there are actually 2 short needles, 1 short needle and 1 additional needle. Let's see how to count the circles. We can crochet this one first, which is what we originally did, but in fact, this side is the reverse side, and this side is the front side, so when we get to the third circle, we can turn it over like this, and we count the number of circles like this. Here is a round 1, from here is the first circle, here is the second circle, and here is the third circle, and our fourth circle is adding 1 every 3, that is, adding 3 short stitches every other, and then adding 1 short stitch. While we still are the first short stitch, 2 short stitches, 3 short stitches, and the fourth short stitch, we will add a short stitch, that is, 2 short stitches are followed by 3 short stitches, and 1 short stitch is added to the crochet rule. After ticking, we make a pull, then continue with a rising stitch. That is, there must be a rising stitch at the beginning of each circle. In the 5th round, we add 1 stitch every 4 stitches, and add stitches staggered. We crochet 2 short stitches first, then 1 short stitch for extra stitches, and then 2 short stitches. Then we crochet the standing needles first, and then we crochet 2 short stitches first. Another short stitch. Later, we will add a short stitch every 4 short stitches. Just follow this rule, that is, to finish the circle with 4 short stitches. After crocheting 1 short stitch, there are still 2 short stitches. Okay, after this round of hooking, continue to draw the thread so that it can be tightened a little, and then the needle is raised. In the next circle, we add 1 every 5, and adding 1 every 5 is very simple, just like adding 1 every 3. Crochet 5 short stitches first. Then in the 6th stitch, we crochet an extra stitch with a short stitch. In the back, we still crochet 5 short stitches first. Okay, we will add 1 stitch every 6 in the next circle.